Jooba people. Today we're doing Skin Love, which you know by the title of this video. We've got a full PDF that I've made for this lesson with all the chord shapes and the notes, the strumming, and also the riffs, which there are about 4 different riffs, and then the chords and lyrics nice and accurate. And you can go download that using the link in the description. Alright, so let's jump straight into this class. We're going to start with the tuning of this piece. So the tuning is C, G, E, G, C, C, and minus 30 cents. So if you're on your app, you just go into the tuner, the Fender Tuner app, which is my recommended one, and you just make sure it's like the bottom one is a C and it is not picking up any of the strings, but it's like minus 30 cents or so. Okay, I don't know why it's not picking up now. There it is. So it's like minus 32 or something, and then you're gonna get close to Bon Iver's kind of tuning, because he does you know, he does tune his guitar out. So that's the way to get there. Okay, then for the A minor chord, the first section is just played with the A minor. And most of the song is muting the top string unless he's getting that really bass sound. So A minor to C. It's on the 5th fret, same shape. And then it lets it go. Most of the time. Alright, and then the next chord is a G. So this is like all the fingers bundled up together. You can also do this. Or it's a bit awkward shape to play, but yeah, that's the G shape. You could also do this one. Want to, but this is the one he's using. Or that sounds really bad. Anyway, okay, so that's the shape, and then for the F chord, we're going to do the same shape as the G, just 2 frets back. Oh, that's my favorite riff in the song. And then for the chorus, we're going to get to that riff just now. We go to the 7th fret with this kind of C add 9 shape. And this is the note that makes it C add 9. This would be a regular C, like this. C add 9. And I told you to be patient. And then we go to this G/B chord. See, it almost sounds the same as this one. And then this F over A. Beautiful song. Okay, so those are just the chord progressions laid out. For strumming, I don't think you'll battle with the strumming. It's like a standard indie strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Miss, up, down, up, down, down. Miss, up, down, up, down. strumming, nothing fancy there. Like I was skipped and twisted love. All those indie songs have the same strum pattern. All right, and then let's go into the riffs. Let's just zoom in there. So the first riff we're gonna do is but you can do it while strumming. You can do it twice, 3 times, you know, it's all up to you. And then the second riff is going to be the same thing at the 7th. And then usually when you do this riff up here, you're going to repeat riff 1 as well. So. The riff 5 happens when somewhere in the song, I'll show you. Before you go to the G chord. So it's. And for that part, you kind of stop the shuffling for a bit. So you kind of go. Okay, but I'll walk through that when we get to the song. Now, two more riffs. Now, he only uses the first example, but the second one I really like. So he goes on the F chord. This is just before the second part of verse 1. Now I play that using my index finger. That's why it's a bit black. But so you do 4th string. And then you land on an A minor. But anyway, it's that part where it hangs on the F chord. Now let me show you where that riff is in the song. Let's just do a little bit of a playthrough. 1, 2, intro. Ah, that was bad. You could also do like. Then it goes to that F, and then once he's hanging on that F, crush me near. At this spot, I notated the C over G like that, and that's just meaning the top one is muted, okay? Ma 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 ma. And this morning we saw the storm. And I told you to be patient. Then we go to the C at 9 here. Zoom in there. And I told you to be patient. And I told you to be patient. And I told you to be that. You get that, didn't you? Let's go to the end of the song, which is gonna be verse 3, I guess, is what it's called here. And then you just play a regular C, but now we're gonna do like the C at 9, but just take off that finger. Just messing around there, but you get the idea. I hope this song finds you well and gets you jamming in that log cabin in the woods. I mean, this song, Log Cabin in the Woods, perfect. Love it. Cheers, guys.